What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another YouTube video. My name is Mike, full-time Amazon media seller. Today we are breaking down the 2026 Amazon FBA fee increases and what that means for your Amazon selling business. I sell solely on Amazon. I make all of my cheddar off of Amazon, and if you're interested in making some cheddar yourself, join the YouTube channel. We got a private Discord, weekly calls, Amazon, eBay, and the go-to lister discount literally pays for the group itself. I'd pay you to be a member of this channel. So Amazon sent an email out the other day explaining that fee increases are happening. An email says on average an 8% increase per item across the board. But if you actually look into this, there is levels to this kind of Ponzi scheme game fee increase they are running. So they put a big long fancy word sentence. All right, bear with me here. To continue improving delivery speeds that drive increased sales for your products while helping offset increased operational and labor costs of maintaining healthy inventory levels that are critical to those fast speeds, we will adjust standard size fulfillment fees and low inventory level fees. That is it sounds like a chat. They probably had ChatGPT do this. So they're breaking it down now based off what the item sells for. So between $10 and $50 for a standard item, which is 99% of our inventory, it is an extra 25 cents per unit. So to sell this DVD is going to cost an extra 25 cents. It's not terrible. It's not the best. It's not the worst. I would expect them to do more than 25 cents. So this really doesn't bother me. I'm not like losing sleep over this at all. Any of this. That's why I make this video, to kind of keep everybody grounded and in reality when it comes to this, right? We're paying nothing for the books, the CDs, the DVDs. If you don't have the margin, then unfortunately it's time for you to go somewhere else and do some other business. You can go try another media selling platform, let your stuff sit there forever, not make no money, right? All these people promising you, oh yeah, do eBay, do whatnot. Yeah, okay, well, let's see your statements. Let's see where you're getting your inventory. Let's see your business models. Till I see that, Amazon is the only platform to sell media on, in my opinion. Standard size products below $10. A lot of our inventory is fast moving. We send it in under $10 because there's a significant drop off in FBA fees. They are increasing those by 12 cents per unit on average. So that is really not that bad at all either. You know, like just an extra 12 cents out of your $9.99. I don't see anything wrong with that. Now you get into the other stuff, right? Standard products that are above $50. You're going to pay an increase of 51 cents per unit. Yet again, if you buy it for $1 and sell it for over 50 and you can't afford a 51-cent increase in fees, you got way bigger problems going on out there in the universe than worrying about Amazon fees going up. So that is the basic FBA fee increase. But like I said, there's levels to this game. Placement fees. Every time you send stuff in a box, you pay placement fees based on the items, right? So a box of DVDs, you pay placement fees on 80 items. I can't even talk. Fair warning, I literally just recorded this video and this GoPro glitched out, so I'm recording it again. So that's why the tongue twister is coming off my tongue. So placement fees are going up as well. We're going to pay an extra 5 cents per unit. A box of 100, it's an extra $5. It's not really, yet again, a drop in the bucket. And before all you losers come into the channel and are like, you just deal with Amazon fee increases until they price you out of the market. Yeah, maybe I'll get priced out of the market in like 2040. By then I'll be long out of the game, because unlike a lot of you broke jokers that type like this on the YouTube channel, I put money into investments, retirements accounts. You know, I got things going on that I'm not going to be doing this shit forever. So placement fees going up by a nickel. They also have a new one here. Shipments that do not arrive, are late, or delivered to the wrong location, they now will charge you 60 cents per unit. This doesn't really affect us. We send stuff where it needs to go and it gets there in a proper time. The last one here is this one I wholeheartely agree with. You can hate me for this. You can call me a Jeff Bezos butt kisser, whatever you want to call me. They have increased the storage fees for items that are over 12 months old. So now 12 to 15 months old, the fee is going to increase from 15 cents per unit to 30 cents per month to store your items. So any long-term storage you need to be getting rid of. I can't get through to you. Jeff's trying to get through to you by raising the fees. Sell everything. My sell-through is so high, I'm literally getting rid of everything at 12 months, and it's maybe like 50 items. And I carry a rolling inventory of around 5,000. So like all of my stuff sells. For some reason, you all want to hang on to it and don't want to have it set up to automatically remove. Well, you're going to get punished more now. It just doubled on you. And then for your items that are over 15 months, it's going to be 35 cents per unit or $7.90 per cubic feet, whichever one is greater. They are telling you they want you to sell your items. I don't blame them. We are not in the business of storing items, even though they are in the business of storing items because they have a way to monetize it. We are not as sellers. Those items are costing us money sitting there. Not only the storage cost, it's going to cost us the money we paid for it, right? It's going to cost us the work and time we put in to actually get it listed. Now, there is a little kind of good benefit on the back end here. Removal and disposal fees for standard size items weighing less than 5 pounds will be reduced by 20 cents per unit. And this is aged items. So this is going to be your long-term storage stuff. It's going down by 20 cents per unit. So if you got your DVD and it sits there for over 12 months and no longer costs $1.04, it's only going to cost 84 cents. We should still sell it, right? Even at $5, you're gonna, you'll do better selling this DVD at $5 than you will getting rid of it for 84 cents every single time. That's just the actual math. So overall, when I look at the fee increases, I mean, it does irritate me that they sent the email and they're like, hey, it's only an 8 cents per unit. Well, I don't see any realm where this makes sense, where there's just this 8-cent increase. So we got 25 cents for $10 to $50 items, 12 cents for items under $10, and then 51 cents for $50+ priced items. And then, like I said, the placement fees also went up by a nickel per unit. We have a business model. Our margins are great. We can easily absorb Amazon's fee increases. I thought personally it was going to be a lot worse than this. Like I was thinking 75 cents to $1, maybe even like $1.25 per unit increase. And this really isn't that bad to me at all. I have no qualms about it. I mean, look at all the other platforms that don't have the traffic that Amazon has. They've all raised their fees significantly in the past year. So, I mean, this is good news for us. I mean, yeah, it went up, but it is what it is. What are you going to do? You can cry about it. I'll let you cry down in the comments, but I mean, at the end of the day, you should still be making hand over fist money for the dollars you're spending. You should be getting many, many dollars coming back to you at the end of the day. So that's it for the video. Second time I recorded this damn thing. So I literally kind of said some of the stuff I just said like 10 minutes ago, but that's what happens being a YouTube guru. And don't listen to any of these clowns that are like, this is it. Amazon raised their fees. Oh my God, I gotta make the craziest pogging thumbnail. Everybody make your pog face. Fees are going up. It's not that big of a deal. We can account for it. And when I put the trigger set out for 2026, right? This doesn't go into effect until January 15th. We will have a trigger set that is going to account for these new fees as well. So that's gonna do it for the video. I appreciate you watching. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more Amazon fee butt kissing videos. Bye-bye.